What's up, y'all? It's your girl Jay on the fucking lace. I need y'all to follow me on Instagram, YouTube. Well, no, follow me on Instagram, on TikTok, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, period. So, yesterday was my first time doing a get ready with me. So peep the outfit. Got my jogging pants, my Van shirt, and in the video, I was just saying it's my first time doing a get ready with me. So yeah, keep watching. I've never ever done a get ready with me. This is my first time doing it. So be nice. But yes, when I do hair, a lot of the times I look a fucking mess. So I'm gonna change my hair scarf because I'm gonna wear my blue one or whatever color. And I'm gonna do another video once I get to my suite. Now, I done made it to the suite. I done walked up them stairs, honey. Gotta go through like a million fucking doors. I gotta go through like 4 doors to get, well, the stair door, that door, and then I'm just walking in the hallway, whatever. At this point, I think, yeah, I was at my suite door. Dropped the freaking keys, like, what? So anyway, I opened the suite door or whatever. So I share a suite with my baby sister. And honey, she sells clothes. Y'all get y'all some fat ass fucking outfits from my good sis. I gotta lock the door because I don't trust nobody. But Gigi's clothing, period. So this is my suite. It's all organized and looking good. But I have a snack cart. Yes, I have a snack cart for my clients. So, we got to get comfortable, honey. So I always change to my house shoes, take off my Timbs, and get comfortable, put on my little Walmart house shoes, and turn the TV on so I can get ready to do hair. Boom, honey. Yes, I smoked my fucking client's hair. This is a T-part wig install. Once my client was gone, I had to sweep up all the hair, sweep the floor. I try to sweep the floor after each client because I don't be wanting it to be hair everywhere. So I sweeping the floor, whatever, making sure I get the whole damn floor. And I think I left my dustpan in the other suite in my sister room. So I stopped recording to go get the dustpan. But once I'm done sweeping, I start disinfecting everything. So I first start disinfecting the chair, and then I gotta disinfect the doorknobs, the TV remote, my flat irons, hot comb. I disinfect every damn thing. But I only recorded me disinfecting the chair. I do the seat, the armrest, the back of it, like literally the whole fucking chair. Gotta be safe. It's still, still germs going on. And at this point, I'm leaving the suite, lights off.